everybody! Excuse my face. I have this very unwanted pimple. So here we are today. We're trying to attempt. I don't know. She didn't have. Maybe I will, post a picture here somewhere here on our goal. Yeah, hair color. It's kind of complicated, but we'll make it super complicated. Mom, so is this your first time bleaching your hair? So, do you trust me? Oh my gosh. It's my first time too. I don't trust me. But anyway, guys, we are going to bleach her hair because she wanted her hair to be a little, what's that? She wants a balayage in her hair, and she wants the color grayish, something like that, kanang trend daw karon daw. What else? So we're starting now. So that is her hair. I think she is level, this part here is no doubt level 2 because it's so dark. It's not a 1, but I think it's around 2, but this part is level something 4 because this is pre-dyed already, this part here.
So wish me luck.
Yeah,
And
this part here is the only one that is virgin, and this one is already the virgin line. Hala, bawal ba ang kanang mga kuan sa YouTube?
Mga words.
Yeah. Oh my god. Ew. So that is her hair.
I'm crossing my fingers now.
Yeah.
I hope
Pray to
it
help.
will turn out okay, at least.
So here we go. Hi.
Mana?
Cherish the love. Okay pa ka, ma'am? Namatang-tang na lagi yung buhok mo.
Ano Taiwan na?
Yay.
Tangtang naman.
Stop na ha.
Ato na lang ko dito day, pictorial.
We're done. What's the color of this one? This is like ash gray on this. Hi guys, check my lashes. This one is from Daiso. Yeah, it looks so weird. I still have my beard. Yeah, I still have my beard. So, we're heading off now. Wow, what are you doing? Oh, you're applying lipstick.
Ay, po.
OMG ba?
Lipstick ko sa
I'm wearing Revlon Balm Stain because it's so hydrating. My face is freaking out. I have a lot of pimples on this side. And can we talk about these lashes? Whoa, it's from Daiso. Yeah, I forgot which one. I think that one that is in pink. Yeah, I guess. obsessed si mother. Always looking at a mirror. So yeah. And I still have my beard on. I don't like it. Today is not raining anymore. But it's it's their daily kuan if they don't, you know, drive tricycle. Issue. Hey guys, so we are just chilling like a villain. Baba. Ba. I know the TV is so loud. Yeah. Hoyo. You're sleepy because there's no internet. That's why. Why do you sleep? Look at these lashes. Wow. My face looks so white. I like my eyebrows today. Yeah. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah. This is going to be a very late vlog. It's a Sunday and I'm feeling a little better actually, but I still have clogged nose and I'm still taking medicine and I'm not completely well, but I decided to take a shower because I know I feel like if I take a shower it will make me feel better, because I feel like my hair is getting heavier and heavier because I did not clean it. So today, yeah, on a Sunday, I finally got to take a shower and hopefully tomorrow I will feel much better because I wanted to go to my salon. It's been like I think a week already since I wasn't been able to go to my salon. So yeah, still has this difficulty in breathing. Today I'm going to cut Baba's hair because she wanted her hair cut up to the shoulder, and yeah, I will be doing her haircut here at home. So I'm gonna go downstairs and we'll be cutting her outside because it's brighter there. Yeah, I'm so sweaty already. So yeah, that's it. Uy mga unggoy, ano bang pinaggagawa niyo dyan? Ha? Wow, nalagay mo ko anong si Baba para. Baba. So we are going to cut Baba's hair today. So I think how long are we going from until here ba?
No.
What, here? That is so short. I thought you want to be a twirler next year. If you're going to be a twirler, you have to have a long hair. So that you will be pretty and sexy like that. Okay, now let's go outside. Come here ba? And next will be Ate, but we will be just removing like this long because she just wanted a trim. Not actually, she wanted to have a trim. I wanted to trim her hair so that it will grow healthy. Diba, Tino? So that she will be beautiful like Cinderella. Cinderella. Ba, go let's na ba? Ben! Yuck! You're so ewy. Before, Ben looks so pretty, but now he's so ewy na. So we are here outside already and I'm going to cut Baba's hair. Right, Ba? No? She wanted a length somewhere here. Let's not cut too long, Ba, because you want to be a twirler. No? If you're going to be a twirler, you need to have long hair. No? Next year. So we are outside and Ate's there inside. So I'm gonna cut Baba's hair now. So we're about to cut Baba's hair, but Ben is always here. Yuck, you're so ewy, Ben. You look so ewy. Ew. Ew. Ew, yuck. Ew. Baba. How can we cut Baba's hair when Ben is here? Bye, Ben. Bye. Don't come back. So we're done. I was done cutting the girl's hair, and I need to sweep. I need to sweep the hairs outside. Hello, doggies. Yes. That is done. Wait. I need to clean that hair. There, side. Someone said that I need to speak Tagalog in my video, but I don't know, guys. I don't know because I don't speak Tagalog also that well. I'm Cebuano and I'm not very good at Tagalog. Here in Cebu, if we don't talk using Bisaya, our dialect is Bisaya, and if we are not talking in Bisaya, we talk in English. So it's a mix of English and Bisaya. But although I can speak a little, of course I could understand Tagalog, but it just feels so awkward talking in Tagalog. Yeah. I don't know. I am not 100% sure if I could, I don't know, it just feels so awkward, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm gonna try. And just a little warning, guys, I am not fluent in Tagalog. Okay, it's not that short. It's still the same. It looks the same, ate. Diba, mother, no? Oh, over. So this is our snack. Banana Q and Kamuti Q by Mother Dear.
Iced tea.
Yeah.
You want to drink iced tea?
Ice water. Filipino snack. Ew, look at my teeth. It's so gross. I'm gonna be frying this is, oh, you can see it. This is tempura. So Baba and Sashi wanted to eat tempura, so I'm gonna fry this one. But since this is still very hard and super frozen, I'm gonna defrost this into the microwave. I'm just gonna do a little opening here. Eating time with Pinakurat a la mercy. Kami? Wishy? Wow. Especially.